feet together and going up, going out this way. This one should be fine. Relax a bit more. Breathe in. Yes, and breathe out. One more time. And deeper breath. Yes. Okay. Out. Let's do one more here. Breathe in again. And out. Shoulders relax slightly. Let's tilt the hip this way. Very good. Down again. All the way to the safe zone. I'm gonna go under the hoodie. Here. We'll do a big turn again. And then the other way. Open the mouth. And close. One more time. Close. Light one from the left. Maybe we'll turn to this side again, just so that there's something on the cheek. Back to the middle, and then open again. Close. Use a bit of the hand as well. Might be a bit sore for this one. Let's see if we can find anything stiffer. There's one over here. One is too stiff. I'm gonna do one there. Let me reassess the lower one again. feel if I pull the foot down, lower back feels okay? Bend knee for you as well. Right at the end, when I'm pushing back, that feels okay? Fairly comfortable? A little bit further and still very stiff. Let's do another style. What if I go 1, 2, that's okay? Back. More. Even more. Goodness. Didn't know you could squeeze so far back, huh? Left one. Sure. And then just drop into my hand. Yeah, there we go. Dropping down more. Yes. Squeeze one more time. More to do. Yeah. Might just be the muscle.
Yeah.
Let's make sure. Maybe it's sore this one. Squeeze again. You squeeze down. Go up to the sky. Can we lean back a little bit? Half of that? Come on. Yeah. Yes. First time I said a little bit.